Alright, I booted up. I saw my Numix splash screen, and it took a while before this Numix splash screen is a red thing with the circles, like I think it's coming from Doctor Who, and then you see this slider, and suddenly everything fades away and I see Discord. So that's what happened prior to the video. Let's get rid of this here, quit Discord. So we have now this look. The splash is in here somewhere. Where's the splash again? Can we just type it? Workspace theme, splash screen, none, don't want it, apply, gone. So that's out. We were trying to figure out all these elements. So the .config here, and then the scal, go to a new tab and figure out if we can delete it now. KCM, this one was, what was it? Again, KCM fonts. That's the first one we try to delete, so delete. That's gonna work. KDE globals, delete. K hotkeys. Remember we made a copy. So console RC. And this here, the KM server, here, this guy is set logon mode default. Okay, so you're out. The splash, I told him no splash, just told it. Again, I'll have splash because I'm deleting the file. And the kwin RC. And then these guys that you see are all gone. You could also this guy, local, like I said, it's just the profile, and we have a nice logo for a 3D thing. I don't know what keyboard shortcut it was again to have a cube thingy. It's in here somewhere. I really don't play with it unless it's for some fun, right? It's for some screenshots. So blur, logout, screen edge, translucency. Oh, a lot of stuff. So cube. Oh, I haven't even put it on. So it's an. You can set it if you like. But okay, it's not important. That's where it is. Discord. Just okay. So I want to see what's gonna happen if we delete some stuff. You see already the console is not looking the way it should look. I don't want this up here. I don't want it to be all black. It's not transparent. Only when I move it, it's transparent, and then it comes dark again. The size is all wrong. No. So this one, the console RC thing, is the standard thing. You need to set it yourself now, and that's what we do in the etc conf. We set it the way we like it, and so we don't need to do it every time we do a clean install. A lot of work, and it's tedious. Once you know how it's done, it's just work. So I think we need to reboot a third time to see what's going on. You see already some changes in here, and we'll see more changes.